Unlike all of the other final module assignments, this is the only one that's not gonna have a recorded solution for you. Why? Because there's not one single way for this to be done. So basically, there's no visual representation of what you need to create and how it needs to look like. That would ruin the purpose of this challenge. The challenge is that you, on your own, need to kind of analyze the assignment in front of you. So for example, in here, you need to look at feather icons, their style, the rules that they have, what makes them unique, how detailed are all of the icons, and are you able to kind of mark down the icon grid that they've used to create all of the icons? If so, can you create the 5 icons that are listed below? And each person is gonna maybe do it a little bit differently, and that's the point of it. Like, all of us are designers and we're making decisions differently based on our experience, the context of the project, the things that we've learned so far, and with time we're improving. So I don't want to create a solution for this because I think it's going to kill the premise of the assignment, which is to force you to kind of analyze the icon set, the style that they have, and to try your best to draw shapes like this. So what you can do, and what I would suggest doing if you're stuck with this challenge, is to first analyze feather icons really in detail, and then also to try to look at other icon resources and see if they have icons like this. Try to analyze what makes that shape and how you can maybe make it in the style of feather icons. So with time, I don't know if Feather Icons already has some of these icons, maybe it has all of them, but please try not to like replicate it one by one. Try to create your own based on everything that you've learned about an icon. So something like a file download icon is probably a rectangle that represents paper. Maybe you can create that little edge on the top left or top right that kind of looks like the piece of paper was kind of just curved there. And since it's download, maybe you can create an arrow that goes down. Another way to do it, it could be just like a cloud that has an arrow that goes down because you're kind of downloading something from the internet. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it, and I don't want to limit you or limit your imagination, but don't feel discouraged if you're struggling with this. Like drawing icons, I'm guessing like there can be an entire course just about like how to draw icons and how to play around it. So try your best to do this challenge, try your best to create solutions for it, but if you're struggling, try to look at other resources that are maybe similar and see if you can maybe then draw something similar to it. Don't like put it and trace it, but try to kind of recreate it. Similar thing to the challenge in here below, so the second final module assignment, where you need to fully come up with a style and style language of your icon set. So you need to decide like how playful you want it to be, what's the stroke size, what's the stroke width, how many details each one of these have, and based on your preferences and the context that you envision these icons being used in is going to influence how you're going to design it. So don't feel limited. Hopefully this video will not discourage you for actually kind of trying to solve this challenge on your own. And I hope you understand why there is no pre-recorded solution for it. I feel like with everything that we went through in drawing and manipulating icons, you should be ready to tackle this challenge on your own.